No, it's a fun day today. Ụbọchị nke atọ. Ụbọchị nke atọ, day 3. We're going to sing a song. So whichever song you like in Igbo, just put it on and sing along, okay? Don't worry if you don't know all the sounds or the lyrics. Just sing what you know, even if it's one line or 2 lines. You can sing it, just sing it, okay? And if you don't know any song, I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to give you Onyeka Onwenu song. You can find it online on YouTube. If you just type Onyeka Onwenu, Onye bụ nwannem, okay? It's a very easy song, and why I like it is because you can tweak it, you can add on things to it, you can add names, because Onye bụ nwannem means who is my sibling, who's my brother, who's my sister. Okay, Onye bụ nwannem. Okay, so, and the song goes like this. Onye bụ nwannem mayoro mama, mayoro, onye bụ nwannem mayoro mama, mayoro Ngozi bụ nwannem mayoro mama, mayoro Chika nwannem mayoro mama. You see how you can make the song as long as you like. Just keep adding names of your siblings, names of your friends, names of everybody you know, and your brothers, your sisters, okay? They don't have to be, of course, literally your brothers or sisters, but you get what I mean. Chika nwannem mayoro mama, mayoro onye bụ nwannem. Okay? So this is a good way to get the Igbo sounds in your head and to learn things and to speak Igbo. Okay? Ngwan, Kodi, anyị ga-ahụ n'ụbọchị nke anọ. Day 4. Anyị ga-ahụ n'ụbọchị nke anọ. Oh, na-asụkwa Igbo.